Hello viewers, in this video I will show you one of the best voice changer app on Android. So if you watch the full video, then you can learn how to change voice with effect. So let's start it. First of all, you have to install this voice changer with effects app. This is a very good app. Here a review, it's already 100 million plus downloads and its review is 4.4. so this is a very good app, we must say. So first of all, after installing, you have to click on opens, then I'm clicking OK. Then from here, you suppose you want to change any voice, so first of all you have to record the voice. So I'm tap to start recording, I'm tapping here, so it will start recording. Hello viewers, in this video I will show you how to use voice changer app. So I'm stop recording. After that, this option will come. From here, if you want, you can keep original normal way. Then if you want to make it helium, then just you before saving with this, for saving you have to click on three dot or the right side, then just save record, then it will be saved. So before saving, I'm showing you few effect. So if you click on helium, then
it will start recording. Hello viewers, in this video I will show you how to
so this way it's change your voice. So robotic effect we are enjoying.
It will start recording. Hello viewers, in this video I will show you how to use voice changer app.
So this, according to your requirements or according to your choice, you can save any of this effect. So suppose I'm selecting this helium effect, so I'm clicking the three dot, then if I save record, then it will save. Again, if you want to share it to any messenger or communication device, you have to click on share, then it will take you to all of your WhatsApp, Imo and other apps. So I'm clicking WhatsApp. From here, I'm suppose sharing with one of my friend, then I'm just clicking this send option, then this changed voice have sent to that person.
it will start recording. Hello viewers, in this video I will show you how to use.
So that's it. If this video help you out, please consider leaving a like and let me know in the comments if you have any question. Have a good day.